So today I'm going to be testing my car's efficiency. Since I got this car, it's been doing about 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, which is pretty bad. But then again, I drive like a Formula One driver on the road, so makes sense. But last night I pushed my car to the absolute limit, and I was able to get it down to about 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Even though when I was driving, it got to 4.5, but I was measuring from when I left Randburg up until I got to Pretoria. I forgot to mention that when I left Randburg yesterday, I only poured about 200 Rand worth of fuel. So I'm using the same fuel I poured yesterday today. And if the range drops below, I think 170 kilometers, that means that I used more fuel than I poured yesterday. Okay, so we've hit mid-rand traffic as expected, and we're currently sitting on 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. The range is on 246 kilometers. So we're sort of halfway from our destination, and that 5.5 isn't that far from the 4.6 we got last night. So it's doing really well on the highway, even though we're in traffic, but we're only halfway there, so we'll see how it looks at the end of the journey. So we just got off the highway and our consumption is 5.1. We're driving about 45 minutes. We've covered about 62 kilometers. And if you look at our journey data, it shows that our acceleration and speed has been really good and our anticipation has been really good. So this is where the battle is won and lost. This is the inner city drive. So we expect the consumption to go up. The question is by how much? Can we get 5.5 in a city? I'm begging. Let's try it, guys. Okay, so I've arrived at my destination. As you can see, we did a 5.5 as I expected. It took about an hour to get here. 69.4 kilometers. This is the real world consumption of this car. We can actually check the refuel, because remember I said last night I poured 200 kilometers, about 200 Rand. So as you can see, from yesterday we did 155 kilometers with 200 Rand. So yeah, and our range is sitting at 211 kilometers. So this is more than what we had when we left yesterday, when we left Randburg yesterday. So I was able to drive from Randburg to Pretoria and then back from Pretoria to Sandton with only 200 Rand petrol, or 200 Rand worth of petrol. And I still have some fuel left. I still have about 20 or 30 more kilometers. So this car is very good. 5.4, 5.5 liters per kilometer, 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's pretty good. Sorry, I can't talk today. But yeah, this is the consumption of the BMW 118 F70. People say that it's bad in consumption. I don't think so. It's very good.